Okay, moving on to dimensions. So the dimension lines basically show the measurements, but they have to be drawn in what we call a standard way. So we are going to draw them in the standard way, showing the correct layout of how you would do this. And now these lines have to be present on the drawing to show the person, despite the fact that it's drawn to scale, to show them exactly how large each side is. Now you don't need to repeat yourself, and if you can work it out using maths, you don't need to over complicate the dimension lines. So here we go. First one we're going to show is this one from here to here. So what we do is we need to create what we call an extension line. So we line up our rule with the side of the drawing, and then we are going to leave a small gap of about 1 millimeter or 2, and then I'm going to draw a little line that's about 5 millimeters long at the bottom, like this. Okay, and this just shows me how far my dimension line shows. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing here, because this is the side that I'm going to dimension. Leave about 2 millimeters, draw a little line here. Okay, once done that, I'm going to put a horizontal line across here, because that is the line that I'm going to write the dimension on. Then at the end of each line, I'm going to put a small arrowhead that is filled in. Okay, nothing massive, just nice and even. And then from there, I'm going to write in the dimension on top of the line. Now, this is in millimeters, okay? So we did our working out in centimeters, which we should really do in millimeters. But because this drawing is drawn to scale and this is real size, we're going to write in millimeters. So that is 60 millimeters, 60 on top of the line. And then we don't have to write millimeters because in DT, all drawings are done in millimeters. Because that's the standard. Unless we specify otherwise, it's always millimeters. Now I'm going to carry on doing the rest of the dimensions. Dimensions need to be to the bottom and to the left of each view. You shouldn't really dimension to the right of the view. So I will put this on a speed up version so you can watch this in a second to watch me finish off the rest of the drawing.